Hi there, part 71 of our tutorial includes the new animation library that is based on AnimeJS. What we have also done is to separate the font resources from the core library. This enables one to use CDN fonts or host them locally. Let's run the project to see the first part of the animations in action. This is published to the Laragon web server on top of the secure layer. What we have done is to create clickable sheets. Their animation is activated when each sheet is clicked. These animations are based on the anime examples and we are using the built-in names used by Anime here. In the next tutorials we will delve deeper into how we animate elements using this library. Let's look at the source code. We have created various sheet components which we can click and then fire the animations. One will have to learn some AnimeJS for understanding the concepts. For the element to animate, we initialize our animation library, and set the target to the element identifier. We then indicate which properties to change, the duration, etc. The animation will be called when the play method is called. This means we can create an animation and call it whenever we want. Some animations are more complex than others. The good thing is that the anime documentation shows these demos and what they do, thus one can refer thereto. This sheet was rotated, moved, and also scaled. Currently each sheet in our example is animated based on a click event. We are still building this library, so that we can explore more functionality.